An 80-year-old woman was murdered and her house believed to have been set ablaze in Spring Garden, Bamboo St. Anne on Wednesday. The deceased is Sylvia Barrett, a farmer and vendor. Reports are that about 6:15 p.m. a relative of the deceased saw fire coming from the house and contacted the fire department. The relative and the neighbors managed to extinguish the blaze, which was seen coming from the living room of Barrett's 4-bedroom concrete house. On arrival of the fire brigade, further cooling down operations were conducted, after which the house was checked and Barrett's body was found in the dining room. Her hands and feet were bound with electrical wire and piece of clothing. A post-mortem examination will be conducted to determine her cause of death. Head of the St. Anne Police Division, Senior Superintendent Dwight Powell, said the police have not apprehended any suspect so far in relation to the killing. Powell is appealing to anyone with information on the murder and suspected arson to contact the police. A 23-year-old farmer is facing murder charges following the stabbing death of his cousin. According to the St. Elizabeth Police, Romain Deanwell, otherwise called Chinaman, of Donegal District, Burton, in the parish, has been charged in the death of 22-year-old construction worker Onandi Bell, otherwise called Nandi, of Compton District. Allegations are that on April 17 about 10 a.m., the cousins got into a dispute when the accused used a sharp instrument to stab Bell. The now deceased was taken to hospital but succumbed to his injuries. Deanwell was subsequently arrested and charged. A motorcyclist is dead after he lost control of his bike and crashed into a bridge along Woodstock Main Road in Portland on Wednesday. The deceased have been identified as 30-year-old Romario Reed. Reports indicate at about 12:35 a.m. Reed was driving a motorcycle along the roadway when, on reaching a section of the roadway, he reportedly lost control of the motorcycle and crashed into a bridge. The police were summoned and Reed was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead.